You can start.
Is the screen still visible?
Yes.
For the presentation? Okay, so our presentation is going to be on bridging the gap with the North Texas Coalition Against Human Trafficking.
The North Texas Coalition Against Human Trafficking is a coalition of 46 member organizations such as City Square, Dallas Casa, and EarthX. And I can't see the other one. And Rescue Her and many more, where the primary goal is to help victims of human trafficking. Human trafficking is defined as the recruitment, transportation, transfer, harboring, or recipient of persons. Improper means such as force, abduction, fraud, or coercion for improper purpose, including forced labor or sexual exploitation, according to the National Institute of Justice in 2019. The North Texas Coalition Against Human Trafficking mission statement is to educate, mobilize the community to work against human trafficking in the North Texas region and to empower survivors of human trafficking with specialized comprehensive social, medical, and legal services, advocacy, and extensive research.
How does the North Texas Coalition Against Human Trafficking help victims of human trafficking? Here we see that the coalition has been working against human trafficking since 2011, and they meet monthly to discuss how the North Texas region is affected by trafficking. Services provided for victims of human trafficking are legal aid, housing assistance, healthcare assistance, case management, and scholarship. The North Texas Coalition Against Human Trafficking hosts an annual cook-off to raise funds for scholarships and is hosted by the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Chapter 3108, located in Dallas. That was the slide that was previously shown. They had a virtual cookout, and based upon that, they raised $30,000 even during the COVID-19 pandemic. And this year was more than any other year, actually, due to the pandemic. To this date, 458 victims have been helped by the North Texas Coalition Against Human Trafficking.
Bridging the Gap, Oregon. Their mission statement is meeting the needs of the sexually exploited through a collaborative effort among community partners. Our mission is to create a mobile app for every region with an anti-trafficking collaborative model. In 2014, my full-time officer with the Portland Police Department and other community leaders created Bridging the Gap, a website which helped bring resources to victims of sex trafficking. Mike saw a need in his 29 years of service in the police department, especially with the 10 years that he was in the human trafficking unit, and he saw exactly how hard it was to find resources for victims in a timely manner. Bridging the Gap Oregon has now created a mobile app that allows real-time communication for organizations that help with human trafficking, the post-urgent and non-urgent alerts, available resources, volunteer opportunities, and upcoming events. The mobile app also allows for in-app messaging to avoid social media exposure, as well as service provider directories. Bridging the Gap Oregon, it's basically real-time alerts. And so with the in-app system, anybody who has access to the app, they're able to get real-time alerts whenever someone is posting that they have a need somewhere. So whether that person be in California or New York or Washington, you're not limited to just the surrounding city. It's whatever organizations are participating with the app. They can post something, and with the alerts, if it's something that you have, then you're able to respond and let them know, hey, I can help you with that. Or if it's something that you're needing for, a victim that you're helping, then you can post. Or they also have like service directories as well, to where you can see various city organizations, city offices, other organizations within the community, and nationwide. And this was the medal that they got in 2015. This was a year after they started the Bridging the Gap on online.
So what does this mean for the organization? Bridging the Gap has partnered with this organization to create a pilot program for the Dallas location for 2 years, while the app can assist local organizations with the North Texas region to help victims of human trafficking. They were giving $10,000 for the app, and this is supposed to run for 2 years. They are asking for funding for $1,200, and but they need to find the funding so that the coverage can be $50 a month for 2 years. The proposal is I did on an Excel sheet where it will map out where the money is gonna go yearly, and that's it.
And the funder that we've been in contact with is the Jensen Project. So hopefully they will be the one to be able to give the funds to the North Texas Coalition Against Human Trafficking to cover that. And this is the references. All right.